All right, so I have my 2 pieces of paper here, and I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to start with gluing them together. The lines are drawn, and now I'm going to cut along those lines. So here I have all my corners in the middle. I taped them. I did not use glue. Next, I'm going to take the little tack here and I'm going to stick that in the middle. And I have a piece of wood. I didn't have a straw, so this will work just as good. And here is the pinwheel. It's not windy right this second, so it's not blowing, but it will. It is made out of paper, so make sure if it rains, bring it inside or it's gonna get ruined. Can't wait to see yours. Have fun.